So you see the seal, that one I found. See how far it is in right there on this side? That's just from me going like this. So you know it's going to fit. Find the right size socket to fit right on here, tap it in, and put this puppy back together, fill it with frickin' oil, baby. I gotta still get all this crap out of here. Get back there and look in them other bins for the, if I got the seals before I pop that puppy in. So you probably aren't gonna see it, but there are some numbers on it. 2031, 182031, that's Sierra. And it is a prop shaft seal, OMC, has a different part number. Fits in here on the shaft, 18 to 35 horse motors, not all of them. My biggest problem was, should I put it in like this or like this? I may just put the damn thing in and say, forget about it. And, you know, we'll test it if it's leaks, and I'll, you know. Meanwhile, I'll be looking for other seals, but if I could find a couple real quick, would be nice. So I want to get this freaking thing done. All right, so this is 90 weight. Like that. It don't take a lot to fill these up, but it's much easier doing it this way. When she starts dribbling out this top hole, fill hole, we'll lock her down. It's amazing how easy it was pulling that gear shift lever up and down just now compared to the last time. Spin that prop shaft around, it's in neutral. Now don't you go flying off there. There we go. Boy, I hope it's not going to make that noise while it's running. You know what? There it comes. I can see a little bit of the old crap that was left dribbling. It's coming out clear, but you can still see a little residue, poodly poo in it. Let's just throw a little grease in there. Regardless, I'm going to grease this puppy up. Other good thing too, it turned out it's a marine seal. So if there is a spring in there holding that thing, it won't rust. If it's just a plain old seal, then you probably won't get stainless spring in there. So here's the way I thought at first, probably be best. See that? Yeah, it still feels good. Right there, see where it's black? I had to take that off with steel wool. There, you know, rubber basically built up on there. But it feels pretty good. Let's see the other way. I hate to keep doing this too. No, you know what? I'm going to go the original way I wanted it. It's still snug, but I think it did feel better the other way. Gently. There she goes. I think I do want a little bigger socket, maybe. It's pain in the ass garage. Now that ridge down there is pretty far down. I don't know if I need to go that far. Let's see where this thing comes to on it. That black mark. See how it's popping up now like I was talking about? Because the seal is holding the air pressure in. Hee hee hee. Now that black mark is a little bit past it. No, that's about right on. Maybe I should tap it in just a little bit more. See how this suction is? I'll tap it a little bit more. It's in there, you know, but got to make sure it's level too. See, this side looks a little high. That's why you want something same diameter. That looks pretty good. I think that's gonna do it. Give it a shot. Let's get, where's the pump crap at? I was also thinking maybe swap this whole pump housing out, but this one's still like brand new. Just had that, look at this one's brand new, never been used. I'm gonna put a little sealer on this corner. So I got one here that I just punch a hole in it every time I need a little bit and squeeze some out. I like to get under there too. A little bit. Hold her down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's all she needs. So let's grease this puppy up a little bit. Put the brand new one on. See that, folks? For you potential buyers, brand new pump. Brand new impeller. I'm gonna have to probably, see how it's springing out now? Loosen up the drain screw so it'll go in. The fill screw, the drain screw, you know which one. Comes me oil. See there, it would have been too much pressure. I don't know. Sounds good. Get me screw back in. Make sure she clean. Hoo hoo hoo. Starting to look like a gear case. There we go, baby. Hoo hoo hoo. Uh-oh, look. My screw frickin' leaking? You gotta be kidding me. Or is that just leftover? Let's find out. Let it sit on this side. God bless America, man. That'll take in water. If the oil can come out, the water can get in. And take out my lovely, beautiful nice water tube all cleaned up. What's up? Let's see if it's leaking again. Where's it at? Nope. It was just a little residue. Doodly poo poo. And we always come back. Boom, baby. Hoo 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 hoo. Back in business. Oh boy, look at that, man. That just looks so beautiful up there. It's a little bit greasy right around the shift linkage. Come down here a little bit, honey. A little bit greasy, like maybe the gasket might be leaking a little bit. The exhaust is clean as a whistle. And the water tube grommet, man, it looks brand noodly woodly. Sweet. Oh, there it is, right there. I'm in. Pretty sure. Spin that flywheel. Where you at, flywheel? There we go. She better be in there. The hole was right here and the tube was like right here. All right. Oh yeah. Double check this puppy. All right. Now I gotta clean that prop up. Also, I finally found a prop nut that wasn't cracked or broken or fucked up. And put a little paint on it. Make it pretty. Hee hee hee. So I think you can see in there. Let me get the flashlight on it. If you've never done one of these before, see the, oh wow, look what the light is doing to the camera. Wow. Let me try that again, see what happens. See wow, that is crazy. Anyway, you see it, I'll move it around with the handle. See it? So you just have to line that up and then have your handle up in forward. And as you're just putting it in reverse, get it to line up on there. That's the only difference, is you don't have that hole. So you got to get it right on there. And I'm probably not going to be able to do it with the camera and sitting right here in front. But we'll see. It's the first time I've done one like that. I can remember. I don't ever remember these being all split and messed up. I need a hook. That thing's all over the place. So grab me a little hooky. Pull her up like that. And then slowly put her in reverse. Now you see it's not perfectly lined up, I don't think. Maybe, oh yeah, see, you can see it, the marking on here. See where it's shiny in the middle? Yeah, that'll have to come up just a little tiny bit. Probably what I'm going to attempt to do is put it in there with the tweezers or these little clamps. So yeah, I'm going to try this. Got it. What the hell is going on? Oh, I see what's going on. it won't go in the hole because the shaft has to come back just that hair where the gap is. Otherwise, it won't pass the actual size of the rod. I'll put it on again, slide it down, and do it all over again. Once you figure it out like this, it should be easy peasy. I thought it would at least catch. You know what else too? It may not work because there's nothing actually pushing the nut inward. So if I slide this handle up, there it goes. Now it's in. See, there's nothing pushing the nut. It feels like it was catching. I can see the space there too. It's where it's supposed to be. But there's nothing behind the nut. Or the bolt. I always say nut. See, it's catching. But is it screwing? Is it in? It just stopped. I'm going to throw up. Come on, baby. Yeah, it's in, but it's not, like I said, it's not catching. There it goes. It's getting tighter. Oh, God, we did it. We made it. Looks like we made it. How's that song go? Who sings that song? Well, let him sing it. Yay, there's new chorale. Double check that other one. So that's the trick. First time for that piece of stuff.